What if we were asked to find the domain and range given a function? Well, things to note about domain. One thing is, one rule, we cannot divide by 0. Ever. So whatever values produce 0, when dividing in the denominator, we have to avoid. So for example, let's say we wanted to find the domain given a function that looked like this. Well, if we notice, we have an x in our denominator, therefore there's possibility of a value producing a 0 down here. Well, that value, where does x plus 1 equal 0? Well, subtracting 1 from both sides, a value of -1 makes this whole thing 0, meaning we cannot equal this value of -1 because we cannot divide by 0. So when we're listing our domain, we can say, well, we want everything but -1. Likewise, if we're given a function f of x equals 3x plus 1, are we dividing? No. Therefore, there's no value for x that will make us divide by 0. So our domain in this case is all real numbers. Let's try one more example. Say, for example, we're given that our function is 1 divided by 3x plus 1. Well, we're dividing again, so possibility of being 0 in the denominator. So we say, well, what value produces 0? Subtracting 1 to both sides, 3x equals -1, divide by 3, and a value of -1/3 makes this denominator become 0. Therefore, we cannot equal -1/3. So our domain is x cannot equal -1/3. So one of the key issues of domain that helps us find what values we can't have are places where we would be dividing by 0.